Welcome to Worldwide Business. I'm Kathy Ireland. Small business owners seeking financing quickly discover that banks rarely meet their needs and other options are limited. LQD Business Finance was founded to address this gap, allowing small business owners to finance their business on their own terms. Founder and CEO George Souri is here to discuss how they do it. Welcome, George.
Thank you, Kathy.
George, can you please give us a deeper understanding of the challenges small business owners face when they seek financing?
Absolutely. So most small business owners today find bank financing very difficult because it's very hard to qualify for bank financing, and bank financing can be very tedious, taking sometimes upwards of 90 or 120 days to gain an approval. So getting financing that allows a business to grow but that is also quick and convenient and friendly to the terms of the business is a gap that the banks aren't filling and that businesses are finding it hard to find.
And can you please share a little bit about how LQD Business Finance is addressing the financing gap?
Yes. So LQD approached the business lending problem from a completely different angle, which is to say we took it from the business's side. So different businesses have different types of financing requirements. They may need financing for inventory, working capital, to expand or buy another location. Each one of those requirements needs a different type of financing solution. So what we said was, why don't we create one comprehensive financing solution that addresses all of these different financing needs, and then let's use technology to make that process quick and convenient and more efficient. So in contrast to, for example, a bank loan, which might take 90 or 120 days, most of our loans close in 1 or 2 weeks maximum.
In what ways does LQD offer a financing solution as opposed to just a loan?
We took a different approach and said, let's think about the unique needs of every business because these businesses are all very different. And then let's have the flexibility through a technologically enabled back end to tweak each loan so that it is customized to the individual business. You do that through the type and amount of principal you offer. You do that through customizing the payback terms. You do that by customizing the interest rate. So we have a lot of options in terms of a custom designed solution.
How is LQD poised to solve these challenges within the industry?
We started essentially with the risk management question. So our risk management technology, our diligence, our organizational risk, all of that is intended to make sure that we're making the best quality loans at the lowest possible rates while also managing risk. And unlike, for example, a marketplace lender, which originates a loan and then sells it off to investors, we actually have our own capital in the loans alongside investors so that our interests are aligned both with the business but also with our investors and the returns on those loans.
George, the options, flexibility, and transparency that LQD Business Finance brings to the table, it certainly makes you a standout to those seeking total business financing solutions as opposed to just a loan. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Kathy.
Thank you. Continued success to you.
Thanks.